People, here we go. You ready? So I put foundation on my face. Crystal does, oh, don't zoom. Oh no. Oh, what is going on? Ah! Let's try that again. So I'm putting foundation on. Oh, that is a hipster vibe. I'm putting foundation on my face. Crystal doesn't wear foundation during the regular week because foundation is gross. But this one is actually really good. They found it for me. I think it's like some CVS brand. It's really nice. Yeah. So foundation goes on first. So now moving on to my concealer. I use LA Girl Pro Concealer. Yeah, on my I use this on the regular because my skin's not like that bad for me to have to put on foundation every day because I don't really care enough about makeup to be doing that every day. For my eyes, I bought this palette off of Amazon, and I use the colors Ash and Volcano, and sometimes the bronze. Sometimes for like, I switch to this one, and I use that gold color. That's my favorite color to use in my eyes. But like for T Moon, I don't really have to like beat my face like other characters because T Moon's a peasant girl. I look really basic on stage, but I try to pop out a little bit with some gold so I can look like something. I kind of recklessly, clearly I'm not fucking with myself today, but what I do is I take the brown, or I take Ash, and I put it on this part of the lid because I'm not Jaclyn Hill. I'm not going to tell you exactly what I do. I'm so sorry. And then I put the Volcano, which is like a redder color. You can see that right there. I put it like over here. Is that the crease? I don't know. Like I said, I don't know makeup very well. And then I take the gold. I put shit like right here on the corner, and I kind of blend it on the inside. And I kind of put on more today, but who cares? I don't care. I don't. But yeah, and then I'm gonna do eyeliner. And T Moon has like a subtle little lash wing. I don't do like cat eyes for T Moon. I do cat eyes in the regular though, but if T Moon had cat eyes, this shit wouldn't make sense. Wouldn't make any sense.
Oh, bitch! Oh my god!
It's been pissing me the fuck off all day. So here we go. Ready? I use a... Y'all are yelling and I'm trying to make a video! Anyway, so I use this eyeliner pencil, right?
Crystal, nobody cares.
I care. You care. You care. That's why you're still here. I see 16 of you are watching this right now.
Oh shit, well then keep watching. Let me shut the fuck up. What do I know?
I lined my lips with it. That's what I was trying to say before I was interrupted. Right?
Oh,
after I line my lips, I use this NYX lip gloss. It's butter gloss. It's really good. But I usually don't wear it. So I think this show really made me fall in love with it.
Thank you, 6:30.
And I just put it on.
Thanks. I ain't even in the sis call. Jokes on her. What time is it?
I will now use this color on my cheeks. Okay? And because this is stage makeup, I have to put on a lot. So it's going to look intense. I'm going to look crazy. But it's okay, because y'all in the audience need to see that I'm very happy. And, you know, such a sweet little girl. I'm a broke hoe. This is what I use for my highlight as well. And it pops, y'all. It pops. You want to see this? Ready? I'll show you afterwards, because clearly I'm just not making any sense today. And so I did my face, I did everything, and I'm in a good mood now. Maybe this will be a good show tonight. I hope you come through.